I'm going to show you the new technology for straightening your hair. This is part two of using a TYMO tool, and this video is specifically about the Iconic Plus. What is so fancy and special about this tool? Let me tell you. This is a straightener that is going to be less heat damage on your hair. It has 16 heat settings and it has an LED light display. This is a one-pass straightening tool. So depending on how hot you want this to be, this can do the trick in such a quick job. So you can save time, but also you can save the health of your hair. So I'm excited to show this to you. I have just finished drying my hair with the TYMO Air Hype in the previous video. And now this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to style my hair using this hair straightening tool. I love this tool because look at these bristles. They are so unique. And the way that I'm not able to burn my hand or my arm, I cannot tell you how many scars I probably have on my arm from using a hair straightener. Now, if you're like me, it kind of took me a minute to get back into the stick straight 2000 look, that we loved from Christina Aguilera and Jennifer Lopez. But now it's back in. And so the fact that there's a tool I can use and I won't burn myself, I'm really excited about. But also just this technology is so different, so many years later. Look how this is straightening my hair. My hair texture is curly to wavy. It's kind of like lion's mane, 100% frizzy. I live in a very humid city, so I have to be very mindful about how I style my hair because I don't want to do it every day. I want something that's going to last for 5 to 6 days, if I'm being honest. That last day is probably up in a bun, but I need to make sure that my styling is going to last. So this tool, I straightened my hair with this. I literally am on day 5 and my hair looks exactly like the first day. After I straighten that bottom section, I like to go ahead and start and move up to the top. And as you can see, I did use a heat protectant. This one I'm going to link below for you. This is by IGK. But again, look how this just grabs the hair and pulls it through. This was the first time I was using the tool, so I was a little cautious on the heat, and I actually had it on a very low setting because I just didn't know what this was going to do for my hair. And typically when I start a new tool, I like to be very careful and cautious about going to the highest heat setting. But as I slowly went through my hair and I saw it really was not damaging my hair wasn't having this just immense heat emitting from it, I did up the heat. But look at this straight, beautiful, healthy look. It makes my hair look shiny. My hair stayed straight for days with this. I love this. I think this is such a great high quality tool. I hope you enjoy. Also, I'm going to leave the link below with the discount code. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'm here and happy to help. Have a great day.